Hi and welcome to another trading robot review video. Today we are looking at a brand new product to the MetaTrader marketplace. It's only been released on the 9th of January 2021 and today is the 16th, so just a week, but this has the most amazing backtests I've ever seen so far. The title 1k to 3.5 million is the result of the backtest for only just one forex pair trading in 2020. This is the R-Factor Expert Trading Robot, and is this the best undiscovered trading robot? Check the review in our video. So this trading robot is for MetaTrader 4, and perhaps I should have mentioned in the first slide, which makes it more amazing, is that it achieved these results by not using grid, martingale or averaging trading strategies. For those aware, these are dangerous trading methods which will all eventually blow up your account. Now, although the author has only recently released this, he's actually been trading this system for 3 years and has signals on the MetaTrader site. So it's not a new system, it is a trading system that the author has been keeping to himself and only for whatever reason has decided to make it available. So live trading results, and we also have some fantastic looking back tests. The trading robot is using something called dynamic portfolio balance algorithm, which means that when trades are winning, it increases its trading size for that pair, and when it's losing, it decreases. This means that the trading robot takes advantage of market conditions when it's suitable and scales out when it's not. A clever idea. Now, this trading robot does go for a small number of pips for each trade, and in order to get the best results, you will need to ensure that you use a prime regulated broker, preferably what's called an ECN account. You'll also need a decent VPS. This is a computer which sits in the cloud, preferably one that is in the same data center as your broker for optimal connectivity and speed. We've provided the optimal broker and VPS provider in the video description box below. Exciting bit, the backtests. So I ran backtests against all 10 of the provider set files by the author, all starting with $1,000 and running between January 2020 to December 2020. The most impressive one, and the one which forms the title of our video today, is the one for pound Swiss GBP CHF. This is the one which takes the 1k count to 3.5 million. Almost 90% profitable trades, and what a beautiful looking equity chart. You can see the volume going up and topping out. Usually a growth curve like this, you'd expect it to have a massive drawdown, but its maximal drawdown is just 6.78%. The next backtest is pound dollar GBP USD. This is another impressive one, 1k to 1.9 million. The growth curve is more choppy than the pound Swiss, and the drawdown is 35%, but otherwise another impressive outcome. The other backtests, I'll quickly summarize them. CAD CHF 1k to 16k, Euro AUD 1k to 9k, Euro CAD 1k to 1.03k, so that's $300. Euro CHF lost, it actually went down $100. Then moving on to the next four, Euro GBP 1k to 15k, USD CAD 1k to 1.05k, Euro JPY 1k to 1.2k, and finally USD CHF 1k to 42k. I will provide the link to all the backtest files so you can study those in more detail if you so wish. As I mentioned, the author has had his signals on the MetaTrader website for a while. You can see them for yourself using a link on the top right of the screen. For each system, you can click on it and get more details. What I like about this is that the author is using a well-respected regulated broker, and all results are open for inspection. In summary, these are some of the best backtests I've ever seen with a trading robot, especially because it doesn't use grid or martingale. I like that the author does have live results that he's showing using this trading robot, and some go back 3 years, showing longer term stability and continued profit. There are sets for 10 forex pairs, and you can mix and match the ones you want. Personally, I'll be trying this with the pound Swiss, the pound dollar, and the USD Swiss. You can also optimize this trading robot to create better set files. I may do this for other pairs to see if I can find any as good as those three I just mentioned. So yes, this does look like a great trading robot, and I wouldn't be surprised if it soon becomes one of the most popular on the MetaTrader marketplace. So if you do like this trading robot, you can buy it from the MQR marketplace. The link is on the screen. The author does provide set files on the product description page, but I've also consolidated and put the current ones on my link there. for your convenience. And before I go, I want to tell you about our subscription site on Patreon. This is a paid membership site where you can get access to additional set files for trading robots and download our own trading robots. This is for those who want a bit more support in their trading. To get more details, you can go to the site on the screen. It's www.patreon.com/Mr. Allen Forex. And finally, thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our review of the R-Factor Expert Trading Robot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be kept up to date. Until next time, goodbye.